Christian, do you take Shaira Cosell to be your wife? I do. Shaira, do you take Christian to be your husband? I do. Honey, Shaira, Ira. Una, una sa lahat, thank you kay Lord. Magkaiba man tayo ng religion, isa lang ang Panginoon natin at si God yun. Salamat kay God, nagtsatsaga ka sa pag-uugali ko. Matigas man ang ulo ko, salamat dahil nandiyan ka pa rin. 12 years tayo nagsama bilang boyfriend at girlfriend. Ito na yon, pinapangarap nating dalawa. Mabigat man yung gastos, pinangarap natin to. At ito yung hinihintay nating dalawa. Dumating man yung araw, salamat. Dumating man yung araw na nagkaroon tayo ng problema, huwag kang susuko at ganun din ako. Salamat sa lahat. Thank you. I love you.
Years na nakalipas simula nung dumating ka sa buhay ko. 12 years? Years ng away, ines, tampuhan, minsan nagkakasawaan, at saya at pagmamahalan. Mahirap magmahal, mahirap kang mahalin. Nakakapagod, nakakasawa, at kung minsan gusto ko nang tumigil. Mahirap magmahal kung feelings ko lang yung pag-iiralin ko. Sa 12 years na itong honey, natutunan kong magmahal. Ang pagmamahal ay hindi tungkol sa feelings ko lang. Love is about who you choose. Pinipili kita na makita sa tuwing gigising ako at sa tuwing matutulog ako. Pinipili kitang makasamang kumain. Pinipili kitang kausapin kahit na magtatalo tayo kung minsan. Pipiliin kita kahit pa sa mahirap na sitwasyon. Patuloy kitang pipiliin kahit nahihirapan na ako. At pipiliin kita maging sa masayang pagkakataon. Ikaw, Christian Naron, ang pinipili ko makasama habang buhay. Mahal kita at patuloy kitang mamahalin sa tulong ng Panginoon. I will love you with the love of the Lord. I love you.
Back when I was 10 years old, with a rose and a valentine, I thought that love was bought and sold, with candy hearts that say be mine. But it's not like the movie show. It's not like the stories read. The more you try, the more you know just how hard it can be. Not to give up on that dream. Oh, I wish that I'd seen it sooner. I never knew what love was till I knew you. They say the best things in life always take their sweet time. Time with you is all I need. My life is so much sweeter because of you. Oh, because of you. A laugh that always lights the room, a hand to catch the deepest tears, a heart to change the bad to good, a faithful friend through the years. Oh, I wish that I'd seen it sooner. I never knew what love was till I knew you. They say the best things in life always take their sweet time. Time with you is all I need, and my life is so much sweeter because of you. Because of you. Oh, I wish that I'd seen it sooner. I never knew what love was till I knew you. They say the best things in life always take their sweet time. Time with you is all I need. My love is so much sweeter.